Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a boomerang style effect in CapCut on your PC. Let's get started. First, open CapCut and start a new project. Select the video clip you want to use for the boomerang effect and add it to your timeline. Now, right-click on the video clip in the timeline. From the options that appear, select Copy. Next, right-click on an empty space in the timeline and select Paste. Drag the pasted clip so it sits right next to the original clip. Now, select the second clip. Look for the reverse option in the editing tools above the timeline. Click reverse and wait a few seconds while the clip is processed. Once it's reversed, play the timeline and you'll see the video move forward and then backward. That's your basic boomerang effect. To extend the effect, select both clips. Right-click and choose Copy, then paste them again onto the timeline. You can repeat this step as many times as you like to make the loop longer. Adjust the timeline to your preference. Finally, press the play button to preview your boomerang effect. And that's it. That's how you create a boomerang effect in CapCut on PC. Follow and subscribe for more CapCut tips.